Hello, welcome to PYD Live channel. Today we're going to introduce you how to make a full rip 40oz sublimation tumbler with and without a sublimation printer. We will print two 40oz tumbler with different handle, with plastic removable handle one and stainless steel handle one. If you don't have a sublimation printer and don't want to invest too much at the moment, you can try our hydro sublimation pattern paper, like this tumbler. It's a good choice for sublimation beginner. And if you have a printer, then we will show you how to make a stunning full rip 40oz tumbler with your sublimation paper. So let's begin. Now here are all the tools you will need in this video. 40oz sublimation tumbler with plastic removable handle and stainless steel handle. Cup cradled, heat resistant gloves, heat gun, shrink wrap film, sublimation pattern paper, sublimation paper, ropes, scissors, screwdriver, brush, Y-shaped tape measure soft, round tape measure soft, sublimation tape. First, we need to take off the screw from the 40oz tumbler with removable handle. Then measure the size of the 40oz tumbler by round tape measure soft. Next, we will show you how to full print the sublimation pattern paper on the tumbler. We need to measure the hydro sublimation pattern paper according to the size of the tumbler. Cut the sublimation pattern paper and use the brush to wet the side with pattern evenly with water. Then wrap the tumbler. Full wrap the tumbler with sublimation tape. Add shrink wrap film and use heat gun to shrink wrap it. Tie the band with a rope. Add the rope can make sure the band area with no ghosting. Then put it in sublimation oven. Remove the shrink wrap film and sublimation pattern paper. Then you got your hollow wing sublimation tumbler. Next, let's see how to create the sublimation paper design. If you need a template, you can check the link below this video. Then put the design in A3 sublimation paper. And print it with your sublimation printer. After cut the paper, fix the design on the tumbler with heat tape. Add shrink wrap film. Use a biter clip to make the sublimation near the handle more perfect. Then use heat blower shrink wrap it too. Then put it in sublimation oven. Remove the shrink wrap film and sublimation paper. Then you got your hollow wing 40oz sublimation tumbler. Okay, today we have shown you how to sublimate full rip 40oz tumbler with or without a sublimation printer. And we also use two different 40oz tumbler with removable plastic handle one and unremovable stainless steel handle one. Hope this video will be helpful for you to make your full rip 40oz tumbler. And all the products here can be found in the links below our video. If you have any questions, you can also leave your comment and we will answer you there. If you like our video, please give us a like, and we will update videos every week. You can follow us so that you will receive our update reminders. Thank you so much for watching our videos. See you next time. Bye bye.